wonderful English learners. Welcome back to Beyond Words. I am Jessica, your English friend, and I am so excited to be with you today for our podcast.
You understand what you hear. You can read clearly, but when you try to speak, you feel stuck. You want to say more, but you can only make short, simple sentences. You have big ideas, but your English feels small. It feels frustrating. You want to express your feelings, but you stop after just a few words. If this is your story, please do not worry. You are not alone. This is a normal stage, and today we are going to move past it together. We are not going to memorize long lists. We are not going to study complex grammar. We are going to learn a simple habit, a habit that turns small words into real conversations. Today, we are talking about the +1 method. By the end of this episode, you will stop saying just yes or no. You will learn to add more color to your speech. You will learn to express your feelings clearly. You will feel more confident to share what is in your heart. Let me explain the secret. Many learners stop too soon. They say one small sentence and then silence. But your life is not simple. Your thoughts are not simple. You have reasons. You have feelings. The +1 method is easy. You start with a short sentence, then you add one more piece, just one. You do not need to be perfect, you just need to add a bridge. We use 3 magic words to build these bridges: because, but, and. Let's see how it works. Let's look at a simple feeling, being tired. At the beginning, you might say, I am tired. This is good. But it is short. It closes the door. Now let's use the method. Let's open the door. We add the word because. I am tired because I worked all day. Suddenly there's a story. Suddenly people understand you better. Now let's go one step further. Let's add a feeling. Let's use the word but. I am tired because I worked all day, but I feel happy. Do you see the change? Simple steps, big difference. Let's talk more about why this works. When you speak English, your brain needs time. If you try to say everything at once, you get stuck. But with +1, you build slowly. You add one idea at a time. This helps your mind relax. It makes speaking feel natural. Think about a conversation. Someone asks, how was your day? You could say, good, but that ends it. With +1, you say, good, because I met a friend. Now the talk continues. They might ask more. You feel connected. Let's discuss common mistakes. Some people add too much at once. They say long sentences and forget words, but +1 keeps it simple. Just add one connector. Practice one step. Over time, it becomes a habit. Another mistake is fear. You think, my English is bad. But remember, everyone starts small. Native speakers use simple words too. They connect them. You can do the same. Now let's explore more examples. Think about food. You say, I like pizza. Short and okay. Add and. I like pizza and I eat it every week. Now it shares more. Add but. I like pizza, but it makes me full. This shows contrast. It makes your talk interesting. Add because. I like pizza because it is cheesy. This gives a reason. People learn about you. Let's try a daily situation. At work, someone says, do you want coffee? You say yes. Add because. Yes, because I need energy. Now it's a real answer. Or no, but thank you. Add and. No, but thank you, and I prefer tea. This keeps it polite and open. Let's discuss how to use this in real life. Start with friends. They are safe. Say something simple, then add one more. Like, the weather is hot. Add so. The weather is hot, so I stay inside. See how they respond? Use it in emails too. Write short at first, then add because to explain. Now let's think about feelings. English learners often hide emotions, but feelings make talks deep. Say, I am sad. Add because. I am sad because my team lost. Now others can help. Or, I am excited but nervous. This shows two sides. It's honest. Let's talk about benefits. This method builds confidence. Each time you add one, you feel success. Your brain learns to flow. Soon you speak longer without thinking. It also helps listening. When others speak, you notice connectors. You understand better. Now I want to practice this with you. We will build a sentence together, step by step. I will say it slowly. You repeat after me. Don't be shy. Say it out loud. Let's start with the base. Repeat after me. I am learning English. Repeat. I am learning English. Good. Now let's add the reason using because. I am learning English because I want a better job. Repeat. I am learning English because I want a better job. Excellent. Now let's add the feeling using and. I am learning English because I want a better job and I enjoy the process. Repeat. I am learning English because I want a better job and I enjoy the process. Very good. You are not just saying words, you are sharing your life. Let's try one more example. A common situation. Repeat after me. I like this movie. Repeat. I like this movie. Now add but. I like this movie, but it is very long. Repeat. I like this movie, but it is very long. Now add so. I like this movie, but it is very long, so I will finish it tomorrow. Repeat. I like this movie, but it is very long, so I will finish it tomorrow. Wonderful. See how easy it is? You don't need to rush. Just add one more thing. Let's practice another one. About travel. Repeat. I went to the beach. Repeat. I went to the beach. Add and. I went to the beach and I swam. Repeat. I went to the beach and I swam. Add but. I went to the beach and I swam, but the water was cold. Repeat. I went to the beach and I swam, but the water was cold. Great job. You are building stories. Now let's discuss challenges. Sometimes you forget the words. That's okay. Pause and think. Say, I am happy because, I saw my family. The pause is fine. It shows you are real. If you make a mistake, laugh and try again. No one is perfect. Let's share a listener story. Imagine Anna from Brazil. She said, I used to say okay all the time. Now with +1, I say okay, but let me explain. She feels free. You can too. Another story. Tom from Japan. He was shy in meetings. Now he adds because to his ideas. His boss notices. He got a promotion. These stories show it works. This method gives you time to think. It gives you time to breathe. It takes the pressure off. Now I want to give you 3 powerful ideas to help you remember this. Let's practice them as affirmations. Say them with confidence. Idea number 1. My simple words are enough to start. You don't need fancy words. You just need to begin. Repeat after me. I start small, then I grow. Repeat. I start small, then I grow. Good. Now idea number 2. Connectors are my best friends. Use and, but, and because every day. They are the glue for your ideas. Repeat after me. I connect my thoughts simply. Repeat. I connect my thoughts simply. Idea number 3. My story matters. People want to hear why you are tired. People want to know why you are happy. Don't hide your ideas. Expand them. Repeat after me. I am ready to share more. Repeat. I am ready to share more. My voice deserves to be heard. Repeat. My voice deserves to be heard. I am becoming a fluent speaker. Repeat. I am becoming a fluent speaker. Perfect. Remember this feeling. Next time you speak, don't stop at the first period. Pause, take a breath, and add one more piece. Let's add 2 more affirmations. Repeat. I speak with ease every day. Repeat. I speak with ease every day. I turn ideas into conversations. Repeat. I turn ideas into conversations. Good. Now let's discuss homework. This week, try +1 3 times a day. Once with family, once with a friend, once alone in the mirror. Write what you said. See how it feels. If you struggle, listen to this episode again. Practice the repeats. Let's talk about other connectors. We have so for results, like it rains, so I stay home, and for adding, but for contrast, because for reasons. Try or too. I can go or stay. But start with the 3. Build from there. One more example about hobbies. I play soccer. Add because. I play soccer because it keeps me fit. Add but. I play soccer because it keeps me fit, but I get tired. Add and. I play soccer because it keeps me fit, but I get tired and I love it. See the full story? This method is for all levels. Beginners add 1, advanced add more. It grows with you. Let's discuss culture. In some places, people talk short. In others, long stories. But English loves connections. Use them to fit in. If you travel, this helps. Say more than hello. Add, because I am visiting. People smile. Now, wrap up the discussion. The +1 method is your key. It unlocks your voice. Use it daily. Watch your English bloom. Thank you for listening to Beyond Words. Thank you for trying something new today. I am Jessica, and I know you have great ideas to share with the world. Keep practicing. Keep adding one more word. See you in the next episode.